The Association for Contextual Behavioral Science, or ACBS, is now 6 years old and has grown very quickly across the world to be a 5,000 member society with chapters in many areas of the world. About half of the members are outside of the U.S. The core of the work originally was acceptance and commitment therapy and its underlying basic theory of language and cognition, relational frame theory. But increasingly, and it's reflected in the name of the society itself, we are bringing together many of the new areas of cognitive behavior therapy, but in fact applied psychology and the behavioral sciences writ large. So for example, all of the contextual CBTs, or so-called third wave methods, have a easy and comfortable home there. Many people come to our meetings and belong to the society, do work in DBT or mindfulness-based cognitive therapy or some of these other new approaches. And likewise on the basic side of things. And some of the applied areas include things that you'd see at a conference there in areas like education or social justice areas and things of that kind. The core of a contextual behavioral science approach is to take a holistic perspective on action in its context, historically and situationally, and by being able to modify some of those elements to be able to predict and influence those actions in such a way to help people deal with their problems but also prosper in the world. That's the old vision of open general process learning theory. It's increasing the vision of others who take a contextualistic approach, such as in the biological sciences, or interesting in how we can evolve more pro-social institutions and groups. And really this perspective is a coming together of these contextualistic traditions into a single group that has as its purpose being able to advance human welfare and promote human prosperity. And really for the first time kind of bringing together the original vision of behavioral psychology and some of the other contextualistic traditions that are in psychology and outside of it, including those in biology, sociology, anthropology. So it's a society that really is a kind of something that is both new and old. It's a coming together of visions that were there decades ago, but giving a new vitality to it. And we're really excited to see that Elsevier is helping us to do that in the form of putting out that vision in the form of JCBS.